10:20 a.m. Beginning a hike towards Cottonwood Spring, 1356 trailhead. Hiking on a horse trail paralleling 1356, connecting with 1356, hiking west, going back to the trail off of 1356. It'll probably reconnect farther up. Okay, I set up these rocks on the side of the trail where it connects with the 1356. So I'll be hiking on 1356 for a while. Okay, 1356, up and over and down. Another road sign for 1356. And if you look to the north, there's a spur road that leads to a circle drive, and there are several trails to be hiked from that. Okay, it's just a few minutes after 11. I've come to a spot where there's a trail, and it leads to the southeast. If you take that trail to its termination, it would be very close to the 1356 parking lot. If you want to take the offshoot road, this is what you get. And compare that to the other side. You be the decision maker. 11:25. I spent a few minutes working on that sign. You're welcome. There's another road that you can go down. Let's see where this road takes me. It should take me to the same place. Well, you have all kinds of options. This is your only other option if you're driving. I'm in the weeds here. I think I'll try to get down. There might be a trail I can catch up to, because I want to go over there to the wash. I don't want to go straight. I see what looks like a trail. I came from up there, making my way down. This looks like it could be a trail. The wash got a little bit, or too much growth of desert plant. I'm following a game trail for a while. They know where they're going. Well, I'm going to be going in style. I can't quite read the odometer. Can you? How many miles does this baby have left on it? It looks like one of their Mark's old vehicles when he took the first hiking group down to the Cottonwood Wash. I don't think that hike ended well. Hey guys, you can stop looking. I found the door. Hey, I found it. Okay, I found the wash. It's the right one. I believe that's where you access it. It's 10 minutes till noon. I messed around with the vehicle and the wash, but now at least I got to the wash that I want. Now the question is, how far do I need to hike in this wash? Looking back on some trail maintenance I've done, this is my pathway ahead. I can dodge that. I better pick up my pace a little bit. I'll never get there. It's 12:30. My phone ran out on me somewhere between 12 and 12:30. I'm in the Cottonwood Wash. I believe I'm getting close to the spring, but I've said that before. I'm familiar with that mountain, that hill. Hey, there's a road here. Okay, that's that 1356 road. So I'm going to head that way. As the road goes that way, and the trail goes that way. This must be the spring area, and maybe they're saying no vehicles, not a road or a trail. Well, what is it then? It's either a road or a trail. It leads somewhere. Come on. It's gotta be here. This must be the spring area. And maybe they're saying no vehicles, not a road or a trail. Well, what is it then?